Alright, this is the rooftop of my house in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. And it's a sunset right now, as you can see. And we're going to try and fly a Solo Pro 328 from up here. I've checked everything seems to be in good order on the helicopter. It is windy up here today though. As you can see, the turbine spinning over there. You get closer, you can see how fast the turbines are spinning. So there's a fair bit of wind going, but it does die down once in a while. I think the 328 should be able to cut through that window enough so that I can keep it within sight. And worst case scenario, I'm going to land her right down here in my yard where I usually fly. So I'm going to try to bring it back on the roof, but if it doesn't work, plan B is to land it in the grass right down there somewhere, which should be fairly good crash protection, the worst case scenario. Okay, so let's try this. Man, did you see that happen? This is the second time this happens to me with this heli now. Let's look at the TX, a full battery. Now the good thing is it fell right down there in the very tall grass, so about 90% chance there is no damage to this heli because the grass is too tall. And the rotor wasn't spinning when it hit the grass, so it's just sitting down there now, probably intact. But I'm very lucky because if it fell down anywhere when I was flying up here, essentially it's all concrete or tiles or metal, and yeah, it just wouldn't be so pretty. So this was the 328 on the rooftop of my house, and as you can see, there's a failure. Something's happening with the RX or the TX. I'm not sure if it's the transmitter or the receiver, but something's not right because it just shouldn't just quit like that in the air. Now this is only the second time it happened to me. The first time I thought it was the batteries in the transmitter because they were low. But this time I'm thinking maybe this was wrong because, again, got full battery here and the TX, and so something's not right. And so it's a bit of a bummer because this means I have to be careful flying the heli so I don't go too far out of range, although this time it was really close to me. It's only about 20-30 feet away, so I'm not sure why it does that. So yeah, that concludes our flight for today.